quarantine, but you're also, so out of breath, you're also trying to pass nursing school and you have finals literally a couple days away. This is what happens. Woo! Is that going through?
Mm-hmm. I hope everyone's well. I've missed you all and seen you at the library, and I'm wishing you continued good health, as I hope you've had.
Little mother! How do you feel?
Fantastic! I'm doing my favorite walk in the world with my favorite people in the world, minus my awesome son, who I love, who's not with us today because he's somewhere else, but I'm thinking of him.
Yay!
Life is good! Yeah.
Yeah, I'm cutting the hair.
Maybe.
Maybe. Very nice. It's always worth it, isn't it? Don't you think? Is it worth the walk? Is it?
We'll let you know when I can breathe again.
And not due to COVID, right?
Oh, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Oh my goodness! Wow, those are beautiful!
You like?
Yes! I love
Good.
them!
Aren't they pretty?
Yes!
One per child, too. They both initiated it. Amen.
To the best mother ever. Should I have a picture with him? You want one?
Should I for Job?
I can take a picture for you.
Does Job know what he got?
Yeah. Oh, of course he does. He executed his half of the whole deal.
A selfie?
No!
No.
I'd
No
rather be in it
selfie.
with you.
Oh.
I just want the flower in there too.
All right, Padre, what are we making?
Sweet potato fries and massive beef burgers. All beef burgers.
Oh, beef?
All beef burgers.
Ooh.
And we are gonna party for Mother's Day.
It's gonna be good.
Mm-hmm.
Look good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.